Hello and welcome to the Savify Automatic Discounts app tutorial by KlinKode. In this video, we'll show you how to manage a split discount in Shopify using the Savify Automatic Discounts app. Here we can see that Snow Bear is added to the cart, which is a general shipping profiles product. When the cart contains products from only one shipping profile, only the shipping methods under that shipping profile are displayed. Now let's add another shipping profile product in the cart. Here, two products have been added to the checkout. Snow Bear, which belongs to the general shipping profile, and Wooden Spin, which belongs to the heavy product shipping profile. As you can see, the individual shipping methods are no longer displayed. Instead, only a single shipping option appears. This happens after adding products from two different shipping profiles to the cart. To resolve this issue, you'll need to enable the split shipping option in your Shopify admin. First, click on Settings. Then, click on Shipping and Delivery. Next, click on Manage Split Shipping. Then enable the Show Split Shipping in Checkout option and click Save. Now again, let's go to the checkout page and take a look. As you can see, the order is split into two shipments, while the shipping option remains merged. By default, a shipping rate is selected for each shipping profile. Customers can go to the shipping options and choose a different shipping method for each shipment if they prefer. In this video, we'll apply a 100% discount to the Ground Advantage shipping method for products in the general shipping profile only. This discount will not apply to products in the heavy product shipping profile. Remember, shipping discounts are applied based on the shipping method name. If another shipping profile uses the same shipping method name, the discount will be applied there as well. To avoid this, make sure each shipping profile has a unique shipping method name. Now let's open the Savify Automatic Discounts app. From the dashboard, click on the Create Discount button. Now you will see different discount types. Select Regular Discount and then click on Regular Discount to continue. You will see three options: Order Discount, which applies to the total cart value; Product Discount, which applies to individual products; and Shipping Discount, which applies to shipping rates. For this tutorial, we are using a shipping discount. Now, under Discount on Selected Shipping, select Contains, then enter the shipping method name, Ground Advantage, and press Enter to add. Now, set a name for the rule. Here, you can select either a discount code or an automatic discount. If you select a discount code, enter your desired code or generate one automatically. If you choose an automatic discount, you need to add a discount message, such as "You got a deal." For this video, we will select a discount code and then click on Generate Random Code. Then set the shipping discount value to percentage and enter 100%. Once everything is set up, click the Save button to apply your discount. Let's go to the checkout page and apply for a discount code. As you can see, the discount is applied only to the Ground Advantage shipping method in the general shipping profile. No discount is applied to the heavy product shipping profile. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Savify app. Happy selling!